Apecs X5 is a lever deadlock that provides maximum level of security. This lock is specifically engineered to provide a modern, enhanced alternative to other lever deadlocks on the market. Apex has modified the traditional British 5-lever high-security deadlock by developing its own unique springless mechanism. This mechanism delivers lost motion action and helps to secure the lock from picking, as well as provide long-lasting durability. The lock features a solid brass 20mm deadbolt, reinforced with hardened steel pins, which guarantees the highest level of protection from drilling and sawing. The lock can also be fitted with either a single or double pole micro switch to have the door additionally secured with an alarm. In addition, X5 comes with hardened steel plates on each side to withstand severe drill attacks. The lock is an ideal retrofit upgrade for 5-lever deadlocks on the market, as well as a great choice for new entrance doors.